it was an ice storm. We had a tree in our front bed that hit the whole front of the house, took off part of the roof, gutters, a shutter, and tons of siding. You know, we had an idea of what we wanted to do, and we just kept, you know, there. We were working on trying to get the ideas that we wanted to do worked out with Steve and everything. And, you know, it was kind of crazy to see how much the estimate was, and then the fact that we paid basically our deductible, and it's amazing. It's amazing.